Hi, I'm Sarah Gilbride, CEO of TKO Life and Career Coaching. If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how coaching can help you and your team. So, in the next few minutes, I'm going to review our coaching and development program that not only brings value to your workforce, but will produce lasting results for your entire company. Let's dig in. A brief overview of what I'll be going over. I want to talk about the benefits of coaching while also walking you through our three-phase 90-day program. And there's a fun fact in the top right corner there. 70% of coaching clients improve immediately. Who doesn't love instant results, right? I have spent over 17 years building recruiting strategies, creating training programs, developing professionals, and aligning those HR goals with a company's strategic business plan. I have seen firsthand the positive effects of a mentor training program, but the statistics, they speak for themselves. A quick Google search will show an incredible amount of studies and data that show time and again investing in L&D, learning and development, has measurable positive change in a company's largest asset, its people. Best of all, TKO manages it for you. Did you know that 60% of new managers underperform in their first 2 years? That's a scary fact. But it's because most companies rarely have the time or capacity to properly develop their people. But we can do this for you. The coaching and development program runs for 90 days, comprised of weekly sessions that are 1 hour in length. As I work directly with the employee in the discovery phase, we review company guardrails. We'll talk about that a little bit more later, and perform a gap analysis together. From there, OKRs, objectives, and key results are established and formally documented in the clarity phase. Then, a roadmap and timeline are established. In the action phase, each meeting is structured for maximum productivity, including micro-learning sessions that are in line with the L&D goals for that employee. Each employee is assigned a development dashboard once the L&D plan is established. A simple Gantt chart helps keep the timeline in check and measures progress in real time. This method helps keep the integrity of the program and provides an overview of the process as a whole. The dashboard is updated and submitted weekly, highlighting any special accomplishments or possible areas of concern. I need to understand the company's current organizational systems in order to make this program successful. I mentioned guardrails earlier. Here's an example of what I mean. If a company hasn't adopted, let's say, a balanced scorecard or an organized KPI, key performance indicator system, then I wouldn't add those methods to an employee's L&D plan. See, the custom plan must align with a company's current framework, or the employee will not be able to apply what they've studied. If they can't apply what they've learned, then the program is ineffective. As you can see, working within established guardrails fosters immediate improvements in individual and organizational effectiveness and puts in place systems that help sustain functional learning. So, after I understand your company's current systems and what you and your team would like to see in the LED plans for your employees, two things happen in parallel. You'll receive a summary of key takeaways regarding what should be included in the plan, and the first discovery meeting will be scheduled with your employee, along with a quick TKO introduction and what they can expect at our first session. Obviously, before that as well, you would have some sort of employee communication internally, introducing TKO to your enrolled employees and letting them know a little bit about the program and what they can expect. There it is. I hope you can take away a better understanding of our program, how it can elevate your team, and why it gives you a competitive edge in recruitment and retention. Thank you for taking the time to get to know TKO and the value that we bring to the table. I hope to work with you in the future.